Hi everyone, welcome back to another Lumberjack Week Create video. Today we're going to be doing some cooking. On the menu for today is a Filipino and Hawaiian classic, Spam. But we're going to add that Spam to some fried rice and make a complete dinner out of it. I know what you're thinking, Spam? I know what you're thinking, Spam? That processed meat that looks just about as appealing as its email counterpart? That's the one. But I'm going to show you how to make it tasty. So let's get started.
So the base of every fried rice is, well, rice. So you're going to grab that bag, pour it into a pot, and, don't bother using a measuring cup. Just eyeball it. That looks right. And usually people cook rice in water. So you're going to pour some water into the pot, just like this. And now we're going to do something a little contentious in the community. Some people recommend it, some people don't. I'm going to do it. I'm going to wash the rice before I cook it. And fill it back up with water. Turn on your little burner and get ready to cook. I forgot to show myself cutting the Spam, so oops. Watch the water level, because if not, oops. Now, you're going to take your diced Spam and just put it into the frying pan. Now you're going to let it sit there and stir it a little bit until you get a nice golden brown color. Just like this. Doesn't that look yummy? Sizzle, sizzle. Alright, when your rice is done cooking, put it off to the side to let it cool. Now let's start with our base ingredients. The sesame oil, the soy sauce, 2 eggs, and the veggies, green beans and carrots. Nope, green peas. I'm an idiot. So you're going to want to start by getting your oil hot, and then pour in your carrots and green peas, and just let it cook for a little bit. Make sure you stir it around, that way you get a nice even cook on that. Then you're going to add 1 egg, and you're going to add another egg. And then you're just going to scramble it up, because it'd be a little weird to have 2 over hard, over easy, whatever kind of eggs you like in your fried rice. Man, I'm really struggling with this overdub, huh? So yeah, just keep cooking it. Make sure it's all cooked. Don't need anything raw in your fried rice. And when you're ready, add in the rice. Look at all that rice. And then you're going to want to mix it up to get a nice even spread. You don't want to pull a Chipotle worker and put a little too much on one side. Get it nice and even. Man, am I a good chef or what? And when you're ready, grab your Spam and put it on top. And you're going to want to mix it in. Get it nice and even. But here comes my favorite part. Just dousing that bad boy in soy sauce. You can never have too much soy sauce. Mix it up, cook it pretty evenly, and you'll end up with this. A perfect Spam fried rice. Doesn't that look tasty?
Did I cook this? Really? Oh, okay, well, here you go. A nice delicious meal of Spam fried rice. What are you going to cook today? Show me on Twitter using the hashtag LumberjackWeek. Can't wait to see what you do. Have fun out there.